Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can get refund on Pandabuy. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, in your web browser, type in pandabuy.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to the official web page of Pandabuy. After that, make sure to log into your account, and once you're logged in and you get to this interface, now navigate to your profile icon from the top right corner. Once you hover over there, you will get a drop down menu. From that, click on order. Now you will land on your order page where you will be able to view all your orders that you have made in Pandabuy. Now to get a refund from this order page, select the order that you would like to receive a refund from. Once you select that order, on that specific order, there you will find an option to cancel the order. So simply click on cancel order. After that, provide the reason why you would like to cancel the order. And with that, click on confirm. After your order cancel is confirmed, your refund for that order is initiated automatically, and then you will get your refund back in your Pandabuy account balance. So you can use that balance again to purchase another product, or you can also withdraw in your account as well. So that's how you get a refund in Pandabuy. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.